Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at our market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Tuesday, August 27th, 2013. Got mostly sell side condition brewing here on most of the patches of sectors and stocks because we had kind of a late day break on some news. So what we're seeing is a couple of camouflage signals, a couple differential sell signals, not a whole lot of downside CPS conditions to be found here, at least in the NASDAQ patch. So it doesn't have that fully biased downside CPS condition, but it definitely is setting up for a sloppy tomorrow. Good volume today in Netflix. That's still holding above the day's open. That should be one that should carry over for your watch list tomorrow. Here in the financials, we're seeing a few more CPSs to the downside. On balance, the volume is fairly light. This is actually tracking to be one of the absolute latest days of the year before this move to the downside. But nonetheless, the financials are definitely biased to the downside for tomorrow. Energy names, not so much. BTU's got a differential sell condition after having a pretty strong day, and it is trading above average volume, so that should be on the list for tomorrow. Looking at the generals, a couple of downside CPS conditions. We've got one in Caterpillar, Comcast, and also in Walmart. Dow, DOW, has a volume bump today, trading above average volume on a low volume day. Moving on to the housing names, a couple of differential buys. We've got one in DHI and also NVR. Home Depot's got pretty good volume today. It's having a nice strong day, more than 2% above the day's open. Transportation stocks are fairly sloppy. FedEx and UNP both have downside conditions. The FedEx and NSC are both trading some fairly decent volume. And finally, onto the commodity names. Got a couple of camouflage sell signals. One differential sell. The potash was pretty strong this morning. Had a big gap up, but is playing out below the day's open. Again, on light volume. Only one that's really trading fairly decently into the close here. Silver Wheaton is still holding 1.4% above the day's open on a volume bump. We did take some of that along today, had a nice scalp there, but I'll have to see how that plays out for tomorrow. That stock potentially still has more room to the upside, so keep in mind where the 200 DMA is on that one. Alright folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.